So good morning, each one of you. Today we'll continue with the worksheet 17 of chapter number 8, reproduction in animals, NCRT worksheets rather. So write down date, name, class, section, roll number. Your question number 1 is tick the correct option. So first is, which of the following is not a characteristic of a sexual reproduction? So which is not a characteristic that you have to write down. First is, it involves the fusion of two reproductive cells. It is common in most organisms. Fertilization may take place inside or outside the body of female. Offspring receive its characteristic from one parent only. So suggest me what will be the right option.
Ma'am, C.
Okay, anybody else?
Ma'am, option D.
Option D is the correct option.
Ma'am, option D.
Yes, but inside or outside, Pratyush, you said that for inside and outside, there is an example of hen. In case of hen, it lays, fertilization takes place internal, but it lays egg outside. So that can be taken. So D part is the right option. Next, which of the following sequence is in the correct order? So just see the sequence. First of all, zygote, embryo, fetus, baby. So zygote, embryo, baby, fetus. So एक बार देख लीजिए, first option is the correct one because first zygote, embryo, then fetus, then the baby is there. Next, number 3. Which of the following structures has an internal wall lined finger-like projection? Finger-like projection. So you may tell. Anybody any idea about it? What will be the correct options for it? Tell me, children.
Fallopian tube.
Fallopian tubes. It has a finger-like projection. Again, you can read which of the following structure has an internal lined with finger-like projection: ovary, vagina, fallopian tubes, uterus. So it's a fallopian tubes. Next, the zygote that develop into tissues and organ of a body is known as. Zygote that develop into tissues and organ of the body. That stage is known as fetus. Number 5. Which of the following organism reproduced by binary fission? Amoeba. Which of the following?
Amoeba.
Yes. Which of the following is a viviparous animal? So इसमें आपको बताना है कौन सा viviparous है. Which of the following is a viviparous animal? Salmon, cobra, salamander, dolphin. Viviparous animal, you know? Viviparous animals का आपको पता है कौन से animals हैं?
Ma'am, animals which give birth to young ones.
2 young ones. So इनमें से कौन सा है? Dolphin is there.
Ma'am, dolphin.
Dolphin. So till here everybody has done.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Next is number 7 is eggs are formed in.
Ma'am, what is the
Ovary.
answer of 6?
Ma'am, C.
Dolphin. Where are
Ma'am,
eggs
C.
formed? Where are eggs formed? Are you sure?
Yes, ma'am.
No. बताओ eggs कहाँ form होते हैं?
Ma'am, ovary.
Anybody else? Yes, it is true, ovary. Next is correct and rewrite the following statements. An embryo is a fully developed infant. So tell me, beta, which one is correct out of it? What will be the correct? An embryo is a developed. बताइए, एम्ब्रियो होगा, क्या लिख सकते हैं यहाँ पे?
मैम एमसीक्यू में जो 6 था मैम उसका आंसर डॉल्फिन है.
Yes. Fetus. An embryo is made up of a single cell. No, it's not made up of a single cell. या तो बेटा यहाँ पे एम्ब्रियो की जगह पे आप जाइगोट कर सकते हैं, यहाँ पे सिंगल सेल की जगह पे बंच ऑफ सेल कर सकते हैं, या तो आप एम्ब्रियो की जगह पे मीन्स यू कैन चेंज इट्स योर विश, इट विल बी जाइगोट. Zygote. Okay. Next is amoeba reproduces by budding. So it's your wish. अगर आप amoeba को करना चाहते हैं और budding को कर सकते हैं, it's your wish. If you are doing amoeba, then it will be hydra. HYDRA, hydra. और अगर आप budding को करना चाहते हैं, so amoeba reproduces by binary fission, you can write down. Done?
मैम थर्ड
Yes,
का
ma'am.
हाइड्रा है.
Yes, बेटा, instead of amoeba, you can write down hydra. आपको पता है. And if you want to change budding, then you can say binary fission. It's your wish. Next is during this is the complete fill up that you have to do. During the spring or rainy season, frogs and toads move to pond and slow flowing streams. When the dash, this paragraph is from your book, you can tell me. Open your books, everyone. Open your books, children. This is a part of external fertilization. Tell me what can be here. When the dash and dash.
Male and female.
Rest children do not know. आपकी बुक में पैराग्राफ नहीं है क्या? Come together in the water. The female lays how many eggs?
Ma'am, hundreds of eggs. Ma'am, hundreds of eggs.
Hundreds of the eggs. Unlike hen's egg, these are not
Covered.
covered.
By a shell.
Yes. These are not covered by shell. Covered by shell. Next, and are comparatively very
delicate. Very delicate.
very delicate. Very delicate. A layer of dash.
Jelly. Jelly.
Jelly. Holds them together and dash of them.
Ma'am, provide protection. Provides protection. Provide protection.
Provide protection. Write down.
Then,
And provides protection to them. I hope everybody has completed this paragraph. Done? Should I raise?
Yes.
Children, switch on your
Yes, ma'am.
cameras. Again and again your cameras are off. Second is, okay, one more is there that we have to do. In some women, dash are blocked. What are blocked?
Oviducts.
Again, this paragraph is of your book. Oviducts, or you can write down fallopian tubes are blocked, due to which what happens? See the paragraph of IVF. In one of the box where the introduction of IVF has given.
Sperms cannot reach the egg.
Yes, in which the sperms आएगा यहाँ पे. Sperms can't reach the eggs for fertilization. In such cases, doctor carried out dash. What they carry out?
Freshly released egg.
In that case, doctor carried out no. Check beta ऐसे. And the dash is allowed to develop for about a week and then it is placed in dash. See, read it. In such cases, doctor carry out
IVF.
IVF आएगा इसमें. IVF. And बेटा IVF इसको कैपिटल कर लेना. Write in the capital form. Okay. Next is the dash is allowed to develop for about a week and then it is placed in what is it? Yes, zygote. Then it is placed in tell me where it is placed when the zygote develop. Where it is placed? Mother's womb,
uterus.
mother's uterus. Okay, next is D part, very short answer type question. Study the following figures and answer the following question. What does this picture shows? A part. So what name of this diagram?
Ma'am,
Name of this-
humans sperms.
Yes,
Ma'am,
human
sperm.
sperm. And label part A, X, Y, Z. Write down, hurry up.
Ma'am, X is head part, Y is middle
piece, and ma'am, Z is tail.
Yes.
tail.
Yes. So kindly write down. Write down yourself, children. You can label X, Y, and Z. Okay. Next is, what do the figure 1 and 2 shows? So this is the figure again in your book, from your book. What does it shows? The sperms are entering into the eggs. Okay, here the process of fertilization taking place. Process of fertilization. See, this is in your book or not? This figure is in the book or not?
Yes, ma'am.
So you can label yourself.
First is fertilization, second is zygote.
Yes. Number E part, short answer type questions. Although two cells called gamete fuse, the fusion product formed in a single cell called zygote.
Ma'am, please
Fine.
tell again. Second. Ma'am, D second.
Zygote. This is zygote. Zygote. Rest you can do yourself. Question number E part. Although two cells called gamete fuse, the fusion product formed a single cell called zygote. Justify your answer. So children, you have to write down for it that when one male and one female gamete, they combine together, they fuse together, then a single celled zygote is formed. Okay. So that is a single celled zygote, and further zygote develop into a embryo. You may write down this. Next is question number 2. Though hen and frog both are oviparous, but they have different types of fertilization. Justify. So kindly give the answer. Why it is so? Tell me why it is so. Why there is a difference between the hens and frogs fertilization? What type of fertilization takes place in hen's egg? Yes, Veronica, Kashish, Akriti. Don't know the answer. Aryan, Harshit Singh, Harshit Tyagi. No one. In frogs, beta, you have read already, there is a external fertilization. And in hen, there is an internal fertilization. After internal fertilization, it lays eggs. So this is the difference. Already you have read about the hen and frog. Is it clear or not? Still in any confusion is there? Yes, ask, tell me. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So the types of fertilization is different. In hen, it is an internal fertilization, and in frog, there is an external fertilization. Okay, next is, how is the reproduction different from other psychological process like nutrition, respiration, etc.? So these are also the process you have read about, the respiration, digestive system. How reproduction is different from these processes? These are the common questions, children. You may give the answer. At least try. Is this reproduction process similar to respiration or digestive system? Any of the process, so many processes are taking place in our body. How reproduction is different? It's very simple question, children. What happened? At least try. In reproduction, the production of the mother gives birth to the young one. But in rest of the processes, like in respiration, only the exchange of gases takes place. And that is a requirement of our body. In digestion system, the food is digested. You may differentiate between the different processes. That's it. So reproduction is to give birth to the young ones. That's it. So you may write the answer in your own words, children. Okay. So this was your complete worksheet. First worksheet of chapter number 9.
9. Reproduction in animals.
Yes, reproduction in animals.